are cooking today. I bought this Miffy Bento thing when I went to Japan. Let's unbox this together. Before class. Thank you. Time to sauna and make my rent worth it. Guys, this is my cutest grocery trip ever. So I've got matcha and seaweed. Look at this bag. As you might have guessed, we're cooking today. I'm gonna cook for Sophia and Ben, and I wanna make curry, but a special edition. You know why? Yang! I bought this Miffy Bento thing when I went to Japan a few months ago, and I haven't gone to use it. Let's unbox this together. Wow. So this is what I'll put my rice in. This is the Miffy. And these are to cut like the carrots and onions and stuff. I'm so excited! But honestly, low-key, I'm not too sure how this works because how am I supposed to make this black like emoticon? I don't know. So I bought the seaweed. I might just cut it. So this is actually my inspo. It's like Miffy in a egg blanket, and I just think it's so cute. I love omelet rice as well, so let's get cracking. No guarantees.
What humans do is come up with these models.
How long are you gonna work out for?
30 minutes.
I hate cutting onions. This is what chefs do all day. I'm getting the hang of it.
Alright, after 10 minutes, then do 2 sets of squats and pull-ups.
Ooh, good job. Curry is ready, but we're waiting for Sophia. In the meantime, I'm going to make dessert. Benjamin forgot to bring my mixer back, so I'm gonna have to do this by hand. See how long this will take. The funny thing is, I never knew that you actually needed a whisk to do these things. I just used a fork or a scoop or chopstick, but apparently it makes a difference according to my expert baker over here. I'm red from doing this. You know what? Why am I doing this? Help, please. Please help.
It's not working. The trick is that you can't be upset.
Can't be upset.
You want to change the egg whites. You're very appreciative. Look at you. They do egg whites. Try on that. The egg whites are good.
I need it to upset, please.
Come on. Come on, come on.
Oh, wow.
I get frustrated. I mean, I did do this for a living. I better know how to do it.
Done with the two different bases for the pancake, and later we're gonna have to fold this. We're not eating for another bit, so now we have to make some fresh cream. This would be so much easier if we had a mixer. Almost ready.
my god, that's so cute. I'm dying.
Here's Miffy. Yeah.
Oh,
And a little mole.
I don't want to ruin it.
It's okay, eat it. Ruin it.
Mmm. Hey, Japanese curry is not bad.
Yeah.
Normally I don't eat Japanese curry.
Wait, really?
I just like, I prefer like Malaysian or Singaporean curries with like coconut milk.
Oh.
That's a big risk.
Because it got flat. Okay, moment of truth. We gotta see if the pancake will stay in shape or if it will deflate. And right now the meringue's not looking so good. Okay, unfortunately, it's not working because the egg whites have been separated for too long and now it's flat, but we already made it, so let's just stick with it.
It smells so fresh. I love pancakes.
Very cakey.
That's
Spongy.
what pancakes are, no? It smells so good.
Is it souffle or more just like a pancake?
It
It's
kind of
lighter.
tastes more souffle, yeah.
lighter than a pancake.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It looks like a pancake, but it doesn't really taste like a pancake.
Okay.
It's just better than pancake.
Oh, wait.
Wait, did you
Sippy.
whisk and then just fry just then? Oh, yeah, it's decent.
Yeah, it's good.
I can do better though. I'll make a better one to show you guys next time and for you guys.